Hello guys, and welcome to the first episode of my restaurant vlogs. Today I have great news for you guys, because at last we are opening a new restaurant, French brasserie called Coucou, and I have great possibility to film everything from inside and show it to you guys. So first day we're gonna do the final tasting for us and waiters, and the second day it just last prep, final touches, and just opening restaurant. So I hope everything will go really easy and smooth. I hope you guys will like the video. So see you in a minute, and let's do that. Alright, so the last day of the prep finished. Everything is ready for tomorrow, for opening. We tasted everything was perfect. So it's less than 24 hours until the first service of the new restaurant. So time to get some rest, and I'm looking forward for tomorrow. Good morning from sunny Oslo. 7 hours left till opening time. I'm buying the last things for the kitchen, and then service. So I bought everything for the kitchen. Now it's the easy part left. I just opened restaurant, and also we need to buy some daily fuel, Red Bull. Good morning!
say chin chin. What the fuck? Chin chin.
Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll try to do more restaurant vlogs because I think you guys will like that. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.